beloved learners. So, before we tackle our topic for today, let's all stand and let's have some energizer! So, are you now ready?
Yes, we are!
Okay, let's have some energizer.
Let's go! So then, just do what I'm doing, okay? Yes, very good. Let's start with our head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You shake all your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nakakahingal! Are you guys ready for our topic for today? Okay, are you ready? So now, before you take your seats, just pick a piece of papers under your desk and also arrange your chairs. Okay? Oh, very good. So now if you're done, you will now take your seats. Okay, children, may I ask you, how was your weekend?
We are fine, thank you.
Okay. How about this area? Uy, great. Some of you saying na you're in the house only and doing some work there, like panghugas, paglilinis, pagsasaing, at kung ano-ano mga gawain sa bahay. Uy, that's very good, children. Yes, Jeffrey. Uy, nakakatamad. Uy, don't say that because it's a part of your growing up. As a children, you will dapat know the gawain sa bahay. It's because pag kayo tumanda na, meron na kayong mga nalalaman. Kasi nga, hindi naman sa lahat ng oras kasama natin at pamilya, kaya dapat marunong tayo sa mga gawain bahay. Okay. Okay, children, did you engage in your work at home? Very good. What did you feel after? Nakakapagod. Okay. Oh, before I forgot, may I ask you what was our topic last meeting? 81? Okay, very good. This side. Okay. Hindi na lang, di nyo kinalimutan. Di kagaya ng iba dyan. Madaling makalimot.
Charot! Sana all!
So much for that class. So now I prepare those pictures and I want to let you know what these pictures shows. Anyone? Yes, may naglalaro. May nagtatrabaho. All of you are correct. So now, I want you to group into 3 groups. So this row is for the group 1, this row is for the group 2, and this row is for the group 3. So, do you have your groups, right? Oh yes. So now, I prepared here a video clip and I want you to watch this video so that you can answer the question that I will give it to you. Clear? Okay. So now, without further ado, let's watch this.
Ang ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon ay work. Is there work done or no work done? I-analyze muna natin ang mga larawan at sagutin ninyo ang tanong na, who does more work? Alin sa mga larawan ang sa tingin ninyo ay maraming ginawang work? Ang batang sumipa ng bola? Ang lalaking may bitbit na isang timbang tubig? Ang mamang may buhat na sako ng bigas? O ang batang naglalaro at nagtutulak ng kanyang laruang kotse? Ang maraming work na nagawa ay ang babaeng sumipa ng bola at ang batang naglalaro at nagtutulak ng kanyang laruang kotse. Nagulat siguro kayo, no? Dahil malamang ang pinili ninyo ay ang lalaking may bitbit na timba at mamang may buhat na sako ng bigas. Ang karaniwang konsepto kasi natin kapag pinag-uusapan ng work ay ang mga bagay na ginagawa natin sa pang-araw-araw. Trabaho na ginagawa ng mga magulang natin o nakatatanda sa atin. Mga bagay na napapagod tayo. At kahit nga ang pag-aaral ay tinuturing natin isang mabigat na trabaho dahil ginamitan natin ito ng lakas pampisikal at mental. Sa science o sa larangan ng physics, ang work ay may natatanging kahulugan. Operational at quantitative ang definition nito. At yan ang ating susuriin at lilinawin sa ating lesson ngayon.
So now, after watching the video, I will be given to you the two pictures in each of the group. So, these two pictures is for the group 1. These two pictures is for the group 2. And this, the last two pictures, is for the group 3. Some of you asking, teacher, what we should do in these two pictures. So, instructions, based on the video that you watch kanina, make some explanation to those two pictures, each of the group. Why is it work and why is it not work? Pagpipilian nyo lang kung ito ba ay work or not work, then explain why. Why is it work and why is it not work? Okay? I will give you only 5 minutes to have a group discussion, and afterwards, I will choose one representative in each of the group to discuss in a class. Okay, you wanna start answering.
After those reporting, I have something to ask you. So, what are your bases to find that the given pictures are work or not? Okay, Leia. Thank you, Leia, for that answer. So today we have a discussion what is work in physics and its formula. First, I have to ask you what is your own idea about work in physics? Okay, Leo. Thank you for that answer. So class, I have a clarification. Cleaning in our room and working in our house is very different from the work in physics. Work in physics has a force and a displacement. Okay, class, let's have an experiment. Can you get a book? Okay, I can count you 1 to 3 and get a book. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Okay, let's start. So hold the book like this. When you hold the book like this, are you doing work? The answer is no, because there was no displacement. But if you lift up the book like this, are you doing work? The answer is yes, because there was a force and there was a displacement. If you're going to lift up the book, you can feel the force and there was a displacement. The definition of work in physics, work is an energy transfer to or from an object via the application of force along a displacement. Today, we're going to tackle about the conditions of work to be done. So first, there must be force acting of an object. Second, the object has to move in a certain direction. And lastly, there must be component of the force in the direction of the motion. Class, we can say that no work done if the force you exert does not make the object move. So the example of this is when you are pushing a wall. And second, no work done if the force you exert does not make an object move in the same direction as the force you exert. So the example of this is when you are carrying a tray. And lastly, we can say that work is done if the motion of an object is the same or towards the force you exert. So example of this is when you are pushing a cart.
And now, I am going to discuss to you on how to calculate work. Handa na ba kayo mga bata? Okay, let's start. So, we can calculate work using this equation. W is equal to F times D times cosine theta, where W is work, F is force, D is displacement, and theta or the angle between the force and the displacement. Ang mga units naman na ginagamit para sa mga variables na W, F, at D ay ating alamin. Newton meter or NM ang ginagamit na unit para sa work. At ang extended unit na maaaring gamitin dito ay kilogram meter squared per second squared. Alam niyo ba mga bata na ang measurement ng work ay pinangalan kay James Prescott Joule? So ngayon alam niyo na. Pinangalan ito kay James Prescott Joule bilang pagkilala sa kanyang ambag sa pag-aaral ng work at energy. Kaya naman, maaari din natin gamitin bilang unit ng work ang joule or letter J. Ang measurement naman na ginagamit para sa force ay Newton or N at ang extended unit nito ay kilogram meter per second squared. At para naman sa displacement, meter ang ginagamit na unit. Naintindihan niyo ba mga bata? Okay, very good! So, ngayon, at dahil alam na natin ang formula at ang mga units na ginagamit sa work, force, at displacement, tumungo naman tayo sa mga halimbawa. Sample problem number 1. A woman is pulling her luggage with 30 Newton of force at an angle of 30 degrees along the ground. How much does work does a woman do to her luggage at a distance of 5 meters? First thing we do is to identify the given. So first, force is equals to 30 Newton, distance is equals to 5 meters, and angle is equals to 30 degrees. Next, kunin natin ang cosine 30 degrees gamit ang calculator. Ang value ng cosine 30 degrees ay 0.866. Ang hinahanap nating value ay ang value ng work. At dahil may anggulong ibinigay sa ating halimbawa, ang ating gagamiting equation ay W is equals to F times D times cosine theta. At dahil alam na natin ang formulang gagamitin, substitute na natin ang mga given at i-multiply ang mga ito. So, 30 Newton times 5 meter times 0.866 is equals to 129.9 Newton meter or 129.9 Joule. Naiintindihan niyo ba mga bata? Okay, very good. So ngayon, may papakita ako sa inyong picture. Ito ay tinatawag na magic triangle. Sa pamamagitan nito, madali nating malalaman kung paano o ano ang ating gagamitin na formula. Ito ang tinatawag na magic triangle. Ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ito gamitin. So first, kung work ang hinahanap, multiply lang natin ang force at displacement. At ang magiging formula nito ay W is equals to F times D. Second, kung force naman ang hinahanap, i-multiply lang natin ang work sa displacement. At ang magiging formula nito ay force is equals to work over displacement. Lastly, kung displacement naman ang hinahanap, i-divide lang natin ang work sa force. At ang magiging formula nito ay displacement is equals to work over force. Naiintindihan niyo ba mga bata? Okay, very good. So ngayon, alam na natin ang mga formula ng work, force, at displacement.
Now that we have done our discussion, I want you to get one full sheet of paper. I want you to write a reflective essay about what you have learned from our discussion. Write the importance of work and relate it to your experience. Understood, class? Okay, you can now start your writings and don't forget to write your name. Okay, listen class. We will now proceed to our next activity. This is a group activity and I will divide you into 3 groups. Each group will be given a problem solving using the formula for work and I will give you 5 minutes to finish this activity. Understood? Okay, we can now start our activity.
Okay class, are you done with your group activity? Okay, if you were done, then I prepare another activity that you are going to answer through Google Classroom. Just read each statement below and fill in the blanks with the answer. Understood? Okay, very good. Okay class, it's already time. So, I will give you an assignment. Listen. In a clean sheet of paper, write the difference between work is done and no work is done. Remember, I will accept only papers tomorrow morning. Understood? Okay, very good. Did you learn something about our discussion for today? Okay, very good. Is there any clarifications, suggestions, and questions about our topic? Okay, very good. If there is none, then goodbye for now, class, and see you around.